What's up, Brooke? Hey, Brooke. Say hello, my little friend. Huh? Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. Stay back. Way back. Way back. Hey. Don't move. Don't move. There you go. Now what? Now what? Still all fun and games? Still all fun and games? Get out here. Get out here. Run. 5, 4. That's what I thought.
Dang. Dang. Yeah, look at that teeth.
That ball is Bert. Only person that had a ball in the hand is Bert. Let's go, Bert. Come on, let's go, Bert. Go to work. Go to work. Oh. Oh. Ah, come on, that's a foul. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Time out. Time out.
Do whatever you want to do. It's Brook time. We on Brook time. See, you can't even do it right. That's why Auntie trying to help you. Let me help you. I'm not. Huh. There you go.
Bro, stop doing that. Okay. You really wild right now, bro. Brooke, stop. No respect. Not even pick you up. Pick you up. Pick you up. Come on. You good now?
You gotta put you gotta put the straw inside the liquid part if you want some juice. You aware of that? Are you? Hey. Why we do this? Now you try to drink it. Hey, don't do all that. There you go. How it taste?
Bye.
You gotta drink it, then do it. Good girl. It's good? Alright, bro. Calm down. You blowing bubbles of soda? Okay. Don't spit on my phone. Okay.
That's my tattoo. My tattoo? You finished? Okay, thank you. Thank you. This is something. This is something. It's cool. Thank you.
What I owe you? What I owe you? Oh, it's free. Cool. That's enough. No more tattoos. Okay, you're done.